Hi everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and today I'm going to make these 4 things again. So I have used the tailor-made cards for you Businesswoman 1950 paperback, and this paperback is available on their website, and the link of this website is given below in the description of this video. So I'm just applying my ink, distress ink here and there on the edges of this card, and that's it. It's done, and you can give to your colleague, your friends, or whomsoever you like. So now this one is done. I'm going to use the another one, and I'm going to make the tag, and I'm just using the tag punch and the corner punch to give it a shape like tag. After that, I'm going to use the beautiful businesswoman, these two, and for that I'm also using the paper here. I'm going to create the background of my own, and I'm going to tell you how we can do that very easily. So I'm just using my old novel papers, and I'm going to stick them for the background, like to create the background. Actually, I'm just going to stick them, and after sticking them I'm using my acrylic white paint, and I'm just covering the edges of these paper. After covering those, I'm using the tape now, and I have beautiful tapes here. So I'm using one of these, and I'm going to create the background again by using it, and I'm using this ticket tape here. I'm just going to cut them out like this. Now I'm again taking the white paint, acrylic paint on my finger, and I'm using very less quantity of it, and I'm going to apply it edges of my tape, just like that. Now I'm using my distress ink in the pink shade, and I'm going to apply it here and there on my tag, especially on the edges. And that's it. I guess it's done, and now I'm going to paste these business ladies over here, and you can gift this tag with the gift you want to give to your colleague in your offices. It's going to look amazing tag with that. Now I'm going to apply the flower, and that's it. It's done. Now again I'm heading over to my another card, and this time I'm going to use my tape over it. One tape is here, it's in golden and white color, and another one in the another side over there. And then I'm going to put these little tag ladies on my card, and little bit of I'm going to do distress, and that's it. It's going to be done like quickly. Let me show you how. So it's done now, and the next one I'm going to make the bookmark with the help of friends code, which you can give to your colleague, your friends. Slightly they can put it on the file inside the books which they read. That's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching it. I hope you like it.